Hey guys.
Alright, but playing with her toys, y'all.
First I wet it. Now I'm gonna wipe her eyes. Look at her eyes, guys. It's wiping. Her eyes wiping. Oh. Ew, at least she go in the bath.
You need another one.
I don't get it. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. But look, it's dripping right here too.
I feel like I put my soul in the bars.
Okay. No, two, actually. I think she ready for the bag, cause I think that's
Sure, no, she's not. What's her face?
Okay, you ready? She ready to get in the bath? Okay. Okay, we'll put her in the bath. Look, she's sitting right here. She got purple and it went out. Up there. Look what her hand can do. It drinks. Yeah, I can feed it. While she's like doing the bathtub, I can feed her. But look what she can also do. Wait, I'm gonna show you. I'm about to show you, okay? Her hair changes colors when you put cold water. Now the sink is the bathtub is really cold. She don't like cold water. She really don't. It's too cold. I'm about to put something in the water. It's gonna be cool. Her duck. It's dissolving. It's gonna be dissolved because her clothes is in the duck. And look, she got her clothes in here. Look, guys.
And we got a package. We're about to open it up and see what it is, what it do.
I don't know what it is.
Unboxing.
I don't care if it's like this new product or like
You're happy with something?
if it's a wig for me. Is this a wig? If it is, I'm gonna be like, how much wig did mommy got? A lot. Guys, where is mommy? Where is mommy? Tell me in my ear. No, you can come in, TT, but if you don't have the shut. I knew it would be the more phone. If you don't know what this is, guess. Let me thank you. Leave that for me, okay? Guys, we got the just for me. And y'all, guess what? Y'all know we have. And guess what? You remember I had another one of these. But how about we just open it? 'Cause that's the fun part. Guys, I knew it was gonna be something for just for me, so I'm a girl who knows everything. You remember how to open it? 'Cause we had this before.
Ready?
Guys, this is so new. I have another one. Have two. Me! Oh, this is new just for me. The new one. And this is, I've never seen this before. See these before. Ow, I can fall for this paper.
Show me what you got.
We got this card, but let's open it. Well, I keep sliding out from my ball. I don't know why. Let's open it.
Let's see. It's just a brochure.
And I got another book, guys. I got so much of these because I'm the just for me. And I got this, guys. I'm gonna show you this though.
She got some slime and glow in the dark slime.
They gave me slime. Guys, I got some slime. You know me, Mariah loves slime.
So you guys, this is what we got in the box.
They gave guys, let me tell you something.
Shampoo.
Guys, let me tell you something.
What?
They all gave us green. They all gave us green slime because guess what? Green is just for me, and some people get blue, I think. But I think it was only green because green is the just for me like thing, because like just green everywhere.
All right. So you guys, this is the package, and they got the detangling treatment. This is the new product that they're launching.
Oh yeah, guys.
The slime styler, nurturing and defining slime styler at that. So make sure you guys check out just for me, you guys, because they do have another product
like slime like this,
that's
guys.
out. And yeah, you guys, make sure you guys check them out. We got the detangler, the hair and scalp treatment.
What else we got in here?
So yeah, the shampoo, the conditioner, the detangler, the spray, and the hair scalp treatment. One thing we don't have in this box is the curl and the grip glaze, but we got some of that, and we get it all the time. So yeah, you guys, just wanted to show you guys an unboxing of the packaging for just for me curl piece. Let me turn it over for you guys. And she got another hair wrap along with coloring books and more brochures about all the products that's in your box. So yeah, you guys, look at my baby right there, and she's right there, and right there,
and right there.
Duh, I already did it. So yeah, you guys, make sure you guys check them out, and don't forget to like this video and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't
guys,
forget to subscribe to my channel and Mariah's channel. I'll leave her channel down in the description bar or on the screen somewhere. So yeah, you guys.
Yeah, guys, let me tell you something, and I need these cards.